welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to do today is another Dollar Tree DIY that's farmhouse. I want to make a farmhouse stool using Dollar Tree items. I think this is going to be really cute. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this farmhouse stool. Okay, you will need one of these burner covers from the Dollar Tree. I hauled this not long ago and it was the Rooster. They have the large, this is a 10-inch, and I think they have an 8-inch in there with it. I think that's the size, but you'll need some sort of burner cover, and these are like 10 like. Then you're going to need 4 of these cemetery vases. So you'll need 4 of these. You're going to need some rope from the Dollar Tree. And then just some paint of your choice. I think I'm going to either use the Barrel White Acrylic paint. I might use the Waverly Chalk paint in plaster, not sure. And I may incorporate either some coffee latte from Folk Art, or the nutmeg brown from Apple Barrel, or the burnt umber from Apple Barrel. You'll need a glue gun and or E6000 and a foam brush. It's that easy, so let me flip the camera down and we'll get started. Okay, the first thing that you need to do, and you might see Maggie through there, the first thing you want to do is take these cemetery vases and just pull this right off. It comes off very easily. And they had different colors, but I chose this. I thought it would be easier to paint. And you really wouldn't even have to paint this, to be honest. Okay, and then all you have to do is just snap this off. I did it the other day and it just popped off. There you go, just like that. You just pop them off really easy. And it's not hard at all. So that's okay. Here what I'm doing is I'm taking the white Apple Barrel paint and painting the cemetery vases with it. Just make sure you do straight down strokes in all one direction and get your edges nicely. It only took me about 1 coat. I was busy trying to take Maggie in and outside to go to the bathroom, so I got a little confused when I was recording and when I wasn't. So this video is going to be some voiceover and some not. Okay, and now what I'm doing is I'm taking the Klein pliers and just where I broke those stems that go down in the ground off with my hands, I'm clipping it to make it so that the vases will set level. I'm going to be using these for the stool legs. And it really did work out nicely. You could also take some sandpaper if you wanted, but I found this worked out very nicely, and the table legs set very flat doing it this way. Alright, what I'm doing now is just drying the burner cover with a hair dryer. I took the white acrylic Apple Barrel paint, mixed a little bit of water in with it, and the Waverly Chalk paint in Cashew, and then I'm dabbing it with a paper towel and it gives it a really nice effect. Okay, then I'm going to take my Waverly Chalk paint in Mineral and just come straight down through here. Make sure you go straight. It won't be a good effect if you don't, because we just want a little bit of a darker effect. Matter of fact, I'll just pour out a little bit. Okay, and we'll just come straight down because you want to have that darker effect. Okay. All right. Okay, now we're just going to take and start dabbing this off like we did before. And if your paper towel starts getting really wet, you're going to need to switch paper towels and get you a new one. Okay, and then that's what we're getting so far. Yeah, I'm going to dry this with a hair dryer and then I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some burnt umber, and I'm going to get a new plate. or you could clean that one out, and I'm going to get a new brush. And I'm just going to take this and kind of drag it around the edge and straight down. Up and down. If you get it too dark, you can always start rubbing it out with the other side of your brush. And that's what we're getting so far, but we're not through. Okay, let's just go back to my other brush. I like the effect it was giving us better. Okay, and then we'll just go around this edge and drag it. You're not going to see that much of the edge because we're going to do something, but I want to have a little bit of color on here. I think that side needs a little bit more right in there. Just wherever you think it needs to be a little darker. Just make sure you come down. Okay, now I'm going to dry this with a hairdryer. Okay, now I'm going to take a Scotch-Brite pad. You can use this kind or this kind. I think I'm going to use this green one. You can get these at the Dollar Tree too. And I'm going to start buffing the top of this and removing some of this paint. Until you get something like that, or whatever you like. And I really like that. I think it looks very old. Don't forget to go around the sides, but you don't want to take all of your paint off. Okay, now we're going to take our Dollar Tree rope. And start gluing it right here around this. And that's what we're getting so far. So as soon as I get the rope glued around, I'll be back. Okay, and this is what we have so far. It just looks really old to me. So now all you have to do is flip this upside down and glue this however you want. And I'm going to do it with this coming down. You could glue it like that, like I said, but I'm going to do it like this. So space them out where they need to go. Then just put some glue. Like I said, I would definitely use E6000 in combination with hot glue. And one of you told me that E6000 at Walmart doesn't have an odor, so I'm going to try that, but I haven't been to Walmart to even get any. We will see how this turns out. I think this is going to be really cute, very easy, very inexpensive. And like I said, you could put those little felt pads on the bottom. Okay, let's take a look. I think what I'm going to do is just put a little brown down these legs in places so they will look older too, to match everything else. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, here's our stool. As you can see, it sets nicely. Like I said, you could put the little pads under there, but look at this. It looks like wood, and here's the top. It is so old and farmhouse looking. I personally love it. I think it turned out wonderful, and it's very easy and economical to make, and it will look so cute in farmhouse decor. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and become part of our family. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. Well, everybody has been asking how Maggie is. She just woke up from her nap. So here she is. She's just ornery as ever. And I'll probably be doing a video on her pretty soon because she'll be 4 months old May 8th. And say, I'm just as rotten as I can be. Here, look at all your friends. Say hi. She's wondering what her daddy's doing outside. We're working on our screened-in porch, and that's going to be a video coming up soon. So while I filmed this, he's painting the ceiling. I painted the inside of the screened-in porch. Oh my goodness, you're exhausted. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, say bye guys. Say bye. Say bye-bye.